In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your Stripe publishable and secret API keys all within just 5 minutes. If you're setting up payments for your website, understanding how to access these keys is essential for a seamless integration with Stripe. So, let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to open your web browser and head over to stripe.com. This is where we're going to start our journey. Once you're on the Stripe homepage, look for the Sign In button. You'll typically find this at the top right corner of your screen, so go ahead and give that a click. Next, you will be prompted to enter your email and password to log into your Stripe account. Make sure you have your credentials on hand. Once you've entered your email and password, simply click the Sign In button and you'll be directed to your Stripe dashboard. Now that you're logged in, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the dashboard. If you're not already on the homepage, navigate there. It's important to be on the homepage as a starting point for our next steps. From the home screen, we need to locate the developers page. Look towards the menu on the left-hand side of the screen. You should see an option labeled developers. Once you've found it, go ahead and click on that. After clicking on developers, a new list of options will appear. Among these, look for a section called API keys. Click on API keys to view your publishable and secret API keys. At this point, you've successfully navigated to the section of your Stripe account where the API keys are located. Here's a quick tip. Your publishable key is meant to be shared with your front-end implementation, while your secret key should be kept secure and private. These keys are crucial for Stripe to identify your account when performing operations, so handle them with care. Now take a look at the keys displayed on the screen. You have your publishable key right on the page, and the secret key will likely be concealed for security purposes, but there will be an option to reveal it. If you need, you can simply click to reveal it, but remember to never share this key publicly. Finally, once you've verified the keys, you can easily copy them to your clipboard. This is usually done via a small button next to each key, making it effortless to paste these into your integration setup or API configuration files. And there you have it. Locating your Stripe publishable and secret API keys is as straightforward as that. By following these steps, you've unlocked the potential to integrate Stripe's robust payment capabilities into